at your pictures. Also have a look at your social media profiles. Make sure that it's only friends of friends and not a public profile, because you don't want people that are potentially looking at hiring you to be able to see all the comments and what you did on weekends. So make sure that you check your privacy settings. So picture, privacy settings, and that goes for LinkedIn too. What's the picture on there? Is it updated? What's it saying in the highlighted section at the top? Interested in seeking opportunities in, and then what area is it that you're looking for? So just have a bit of a check, do a bit of a audit on your social media platforms, and that includes Instagram. I'm not an Instagram guru, but have a look on there as well. And Google your name. Have a look and Google your name and see what comes up, because you just want to make sure in this day and age when people are interviewing you, they will Google your name. So just see what comes up.